Hello everyone and welcome back to another MailerLite tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to delete your account. If you still wish to delete your account, click on the name of your account at the top of the page. If you have more than one MailerLite account, you will see the option to choose Switch Account. If you have only one, you will see the option to choose New Account. Click on the three dots next to the account name and select Delete Account. If you are a member of multiple accounts, you can quickly switch between accounts without having to log in and out for each one. Click on your profile name, click on Switch Account and choose the one you'd like to access. And if you're looking to set up another account, click on the Switch Account page. Click on the New Page or New Account button, enter the company name, and click on the Create button. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.